All right. This article is to talk through a role that we call the solution architect. It's sometimes in product related technical companies called a product manager or a business analyst. But this role is basically when you're taking on a technical project. In my opinion, in my experience, this is the single most critical role that you have to fill to have success on a technical project. And the more involved, the more business critical, and the more complex that technical project is, the more critical it is you have a solution architect that can fill this role and do it very well. That typically comes with experience. It comes with domain knowledge on business. It comes with domain knowledge on the technologies that are involved in whatever technical solution you're doing. And it also should understand the people processes that are involved in whatever project that's going to be that you're taking on or planning. So the solution architect is not deciding; they're basically deciding what to do and coming up with a strategy or designing the technical strategy or solution, designing one that will work. They're going to work with technical people who are going to actually decide how to do it. But they're part of that mix of going through the iterative process of making sure that the solution will work for all people. So this role is critically important. They factor in business needs, they factor in technology involved in all the people processes, and they are basically going to build a strategy or plan and ultimately shape and design the solution that fits all the needs from a deep understanding. And typically, there's also judgment involved here that comes from experience. For the solution architect to provide good judgment and coach the business people. So, this is the translator between technical and business, and they've got to speak both languages very well in order to be able to do this job successfully. If you have someone that doesn't fit that bill trying to fill the seat, you are very likely going to have significant problems with your technical project, and you're going to have misses and loopbacks and be death by a thousand cuts of iterations. If you have someone that's good, that does a comprehensive job of all these things, it makes technical projects, which are complicated by nature, some of the complex ones are anyway, it makes it gigantically easier and smoother because they're going to design a solution that will work for all parties because they have a deep understanding of what's involved in all parties and take the time to learn it if they don't. So that's the overview of the solution architect role.